After a long day fixing PCs, I like to recharge by tackling puzzles in Immortals Fenyx Rising. Today, Ajax's fort put my troubleshooting skills to the test. The goal here today is to get the treasure in one of Ajax's vault. Of course, downtime doesn't mean easy mode. First, I had to clear out some enemies before even reaching the vault. The battle was fierce, but I crushed every enemy that stood in my way. Here's the tricky part. Pull the lever, sprint to the doorway before it closes. Easier said than done. I tried, and tried, and tried again. I wanted to see what we were dealing with here. I was checking to see if there was another way in. It was frustrating. I could not get through this door. First idea, pull the lever, throw the boxes in before the timer reset. Sounds smart, but the clock was brutal. Just as I steadied my aim to hurl the box through the door, the lever snapped back and reset. When that plan didn't work, I gave it one last shot, sprinting straight for the door. I dashed through the laser beams, my health bar taking a beating, but I made it through successfully. As I studied the challenge, it hit me. 2 boxes were required. Yet the real question was, how could I possibly bring them in when squeezing through the door alone was nearly impossible? I needed to find a way out, so my only choice was to go up. There was another lever with the same unlimited time, but this one opened the exit. I quickly saw the problem. 1 box wasn't enough. I began searching for another, though the thought of squeezing both through that unforgiving doorway left me uncertain. I launched forward with lightning speed, but more foes awaited, determined to halt my quest. From afar, I spotted it. Another box gleaming in the distance. The key to claiming the vault's treasure. With everything I required in hand, I pressed forward to seize what did not belong to me. As my speed diminished, I was forced to ease my pace, determined to return in one piece. Knowing I would have to run like the wind, I carved out space to dash through the doorway. Second idea. Now that I'm inside, use my god power to drag the boxes in. But without line of sight, it was a no-go. I went back outside, moved the boxes back, but they were too far to pull into the vault. After playing the game and finishing this task, I thought about one idea that would have also worked. If you see it or know it, let me know in the comments. Finally, I tried pushing each box close to the door, then sprinting and nudging them in, against all odds. It worked. With both boxes inside, I placed them on the scale to unlock the vault. Problem solved. Just like a good PC repair, persistence pays off. Within the heart of the vault I stood, the air heavy with the gleam of gold and glory. Every obstacle overcome, every enemy vanquished had led to this moment. The treasure was mine. Whether it's fixing PCs or solving puzzles in Immortals Fenyx Rising, the key is persistence. Thanks for hanging out during my downtime. See you next time on First Choice PC Fix.